Welcome to Hogwarts. Today on Space Explorer we're diving into the Astronomy Wing of Hogwarts Legacy to uncover every collectible. If you're aiming for 100% completion, you know the struggle of tracking down every secret. That's why this guide exists. We'll break down the locations of all 32 collectibles in the Astronomy Wing. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about understanding the castle's design and hidden details. From the highest turret to the darkest corridor, we're leaving no stone unturned. I've mapped out the most efficient route so you can get back to dueling and potion brewing fast. We'll cover field guide pages, demiguise statues, and more. So grab your wand, hit that like button, and let's get started. Our journey to 100% completion of the Astronomy Wing begins now. First up, the astronomy table you encountered during the main quest, Astronomy class. It's at the top of the Astronomy Tower. Just follow the quest marker. Align the Lyra constellation to complete the tutorial and kick off your hunt for the rest. One down, many to go. Next, head south of Hogwarts, near the Forbidden Forest Flame. Look for a stone table on a bluff overlooking Black Lake. This is your Centaurus constellation. Fly high and scan for the table's silhouette. They're always at great vantage points. Once you've got Centaurus, we move on. Fast travel to the North Gate Flame, then head west to the hill overlooking the Quidditch pitch. The table here gives you the Draco constellation. Align the stars and enjoy the view. Don't get distracted by the stadium below. Another table checked off. Now, to the West Forbidden Forest Flame, head east into the woods sticking to the northern path. Find a clearing on a rocky outcrop for the Scorpius constellation. Watch out for spiders, align the stars, and get out before something finds you. Another puzzle solved. East of Hogsmeade Village, fast travel to the East Hogsmeade Valley Flame. Look up to the cliffs for the table with a view of the train tracks. This is Corvus. Align the stars, enjoy the Hogwarts Express, and move on. The universe is opening up, one constellation at a time. Head to Arranshire in South Hogwarts, then west to a rocky hill between the village and river. At the top, you'll find the table for Capricornus. Interact, align, and add another cosmic diorama to your collection. Let's keep going. In the Feldcroft region, travel southeast from the North Feldcroft Flame to the large hilltop ruins. The table is inside, waiting for you to align the Lacerda constellation. Stargazing among ancient ruins, what's not to love? Onward to the next. Near Irondale, fly south to the top of a towering rock spire. The table here is for Horologium. Align the stars and take in the panoramic view. This is one of the highest tables in the game. Let's descend for the next collectible. Head to the southern tip of Poidsere Coast, west of the Big Bridge. The table sits on a cliff above the sea. Align the Hydra constellation. The ocean view is stunning, and the theme fits perfectly. Another one for the log. In Marunweem Lake, fly to the old Watchtower south of the village. The table on the roof is for Orion. Easy to spot and align. The view of the lake at night is magical. Let's keep the momentum. North Manor Cape, west of Bainburgh, climb the grassy bluff. The table here is for Cetus, the sea monster. Align the stars and enjoy the peaceful countryside. We're getting close to the finish. In Cragcroftshire, fly south of the village to a high cliff. The table here is for Lupus the wolf. Align the stars and appreciate the remote location. Serious exploration, serious rewards. North Ford Bog, east of the lake, find a hill in the marshland. The table is for Canis Major, the great dog. Align the stars, and enjoy the secluded atmosphere. Almost there. West Hogwarts Valley, fly to the coastal cliff for a sunset view. The table here is for Aquarius, the water bearer. Align the stars and soak in the serenity. Just one more to go. Clagmar Coast, fly south to the highest cliff at the continent's edge. The final table is for Pisces, the fish. Align the stars and complete your celestial journey. You've now found every astronomy table in Hogwarts Legacy. Monumental achievement unlocked. Let's tackle the other collectibles in the Astronomy Wing, starting with the Moth Frame puzzle. From the Astronomy Tower Flame, go down the stairs to find the empty frame. Use Lumos to reveal the moth's location, guide it back, and claim your field guide page. One collectible down, more to go. Or two. At the top of the Astronomy Tower, find the giant telescope. Cast Revelio for an easy field guide page. Simple, but iconic. One level down from the observation deck, find the large tapestry. Cast Revelio to reveal a hidden field guide page, another collectible for your guide. From the Astronomy Tower Flame, spot the flying field guide page. use Accio to grab it as it circles the tower. A fun mini-game and another page collected. At the Charms Classroom Flame, find the dragon statue in the corridor. Light the brazier with Incendio or Confringo to reveal a field guide page. Magic in action. Enter the Charms Classroom and approach the professor's desk. Cast Revelio for a lore-filled field guide page. Hogwarts history, unlocked. In the corridor near the Charms Classroom, spot another flying page. Use Accio to catch it as it soars by. The castle is alive with secrets. Head down to the dungeon-like Pungent Passage. Cast Revelio halfway down the corridor for a field guide page. Not every part of Hogwarts smells like roses. At the West Tower Flame, interact with the frog statue. It teleports you to a hidden room. Cast Revelio for a field guide page. Use the frog to return. In the D.A.D.A Tower atrium, stand under the giant skeleton. Cast Revelio for a field guide page about the fossil in the tower. One of the castle's coolest set pieces. Look up in the D.A.D.A atrium for a flying page. Use a balcony for a better shot, then Accio to collect it. Another page for your collection. At night, use Alohomora to enter Professor Fig's office. The Demiguise statue is on a table near the fireplace, essential for upgrading your lockpicking spell. From the West Tower Flame, find the locked bathroom with the troll tapestry. Use Alohomora to enter and grab the hidden Demiguise statue. That's both Demiguises in the wing. Halfway down the West Tower's main staircase, find the wizard statue. Cast Levioso to reveal a hidden field guide page. Easy to miss, but a quick win. Use the West Tower frog statue again to reach the hidden room. Open the large collection chest for a cosmetic reward. Don't forget to teleport back down. In the D.A.D.A classroom, use Alohomora level 2 to access the professor's office. The collection chest is on the main floor. Open it for your final cosmetic reward. The office itself is the puzzle. While in the D.A.D.A professor's office, cast Revelio in the center of the room. A field guide page appears revealing lore about the office's mysterious contents. That's the last collectible in the Astronomy Wing. And there you have it, every collectible in the Astronomy Wing, found and logged. Your map should now show 100% completion, a true Master Explorer's badge. The Astronomy Wing is just one part of Hogwarts Legacy's massive world. If this guide helped, check out our other videos for more completionist tips. We've got guides for every section of Hogwarts, Hogsmeade, and the Highlands. Thanks for joining me on this journey, your support means everything. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of the castle you want to see next. Until next time, keep exploring and I'll see you in the next video.